Good morning. You look a bit tired today. Everything okay?
Morning, Anna. Yeah, I'm fine. Just didn't sleep very well last night. My neighbor was having a late-night party, and the music was so loud.
Oh no, that sounds frustrating. Did you try talking to them?
Not yet. I didn't want to cause any trouble at midnight, but I guess I'll have to say something if it keeps happening.
That's probably a good idea. Sometimes people don't realize how noisy they are. So, did you manage to get any rest at all?
Maybe 3 or 4 hours. Not enough, though. I feel like I'm running on coffee today.
Same here, honestly. Speaking of coffee, do you want to grab one before the meeting starts?
That sounds perfect. I could really use the extra energy. Let's go. They walked to the nearby coffee shop.
So, what are you getting today? Your usual latte?
I think so, but I might try something different. Maybe a cappuccino or an iced Americano. What about you?
I'm going to stick with my caramel latte. It's my comfort drink.
You always say that. One day you'll have to surprise me and order something else.
Maybe, but not today. I need something familiar and relaxing.
Fair enough. By the way, how was your weekend?
It was nice, actually. I spent most of it cleaning my apartment and then met some friends for dinner on Sunday evening. How about you?
Pretty chill. I stayed home most of the time, watched a couple of movies, and tried cooking a new recipe.
Oh, really? What did you make?
I attempted to make pasta carbonara, but I think I messed up the sauce. It was a bit too salty.
Hey, at least you tried. Cooking takes practice. Next time it'll be better.
I hope so. I don't want to suspect on instant noodles forever. They receive their drinks and sit down.
So, are you ready for today's presentation?
As ready as I'll ever be. I went through the slides twice last night, even with the noise.
That's impressive. I was worried you might forget to prepare.
Hey, I'm more responsible than you think.
I know, I was just joking. You'll do great.
Thanks, I appreciate the vote of confidence.
No problem. By the way, after work, do you want to go grocery shopping together? I need to buy some things for the week.
Sure, I was planning to go as well. It's easier when you have company.
Exactly. We can also decide what to cook for dinner.
That would be nice. I'm tired of eating takeout.
Same here. Maybe we can make something healthy, like grilled chicken and salad.
That sounds good, but can we add something a bit more filling, like roasted potatoes?
Deal. A balanced meal then. Later, after work, at the supermarket.
Okay, what's first on your list?
Let me check. I need vegetables, some fruit, eggs, milk, and whole wheat bread.
I mostly need ingredients for dinner and a few snacks. I always get hungry late at night.
You should really try not to eat too late. It's not great for your health.
I know, but it's hard to resist when you're watching a movie or working on something.
True. So, do you prefer apples or bananas?
I usually go for bananas. They're easy to eat and good for energy.
All right, bananas it is. I'll grab some apples too.
Sounds good. Should we get some dessert as well?
Just a little. Maybe some yogurt or dark chocolate?
Dark chocolate is my weakness.
Mine too, but in moderation.
You're always so disciplined.
I try my best. Someone has to keep us on track. At the checkout counter.
Do you want to split the bill, or should I pay for now and you send me your share later?
Let's split it to keep things simple.
All right. They leave the supermarket.
So, are we cooking at your place or mine?
Let's go to mine. It's closer from here.
Sure, that works for me. At Mark's apartment. Your place looks really cozy, by the way.
Thanks. I try to keep it neat, even though I'm not the most organized person.
It's still very comfortable. Okay, let's start cooking.
I'll wash the vegetables while you prepare the chicken.
Perfect teamwork.
You know, I really enjoy these simple moments, just cooking and talking.
Me too. It helps me relax after a long day.
We should do this more often.
I agree. Maybe make it a weekly thing.
That's a great idea.
Wow, this actually turned out really well.
See? I told you I could cook when I focus.
I never doubted you, Chef Mark.
Haha, don't get too used to it.
So, what's your plan for the rest of the evening?
Probably just relax, maybe watch a series or read a bit. What about you?
I might go for a short walk and then prepare for tomorrow.
Sounds productive. You're always so organized.
I try to be. It helps me feel in control.
I should learn a thing or two from you.
And I could learn to be more spontaneous like you.
Looks like we balance each other out.
I guess we do.
Well, thanks for the lovely evening, Anna.
Thank you too, Mark. I had a great time.
Let's do this again soon.
Definitely. See you tomorrow at work.
See you. Good night.
Good night.